I wanted to show you a brand new product that we are coming out with. It's called the Rescue Valve, and we had the old model Rescue Valve here, worked really well, and here's the new one. And the difference is that it's much shorter. We're going to put these in our new set of wheels for our JK, and what we do with them is we actually make them permanent valves. It can be permanent valve stems. So I'm going to use these new short versions. It's about a ½ inch shorter, and I'll show you how it's installed. Pretend like we have a tire on here, so I can't get to the back side and put a nut on it, but I don't have to with the Rescue Valve. Just to make it a little easier to put in, I just spin on it a little bit, and then I just push it in. Now if you look on the other underside, I just have a 7/16 socket. You can do this with a wrench, open-end wrench or whatever, and I'm just going to tighten it, and what it does is that cone expands the rubber grommet and gets it tight. And I want to do this on the short one until I have about almost a ½ inch of stem showing. It's about 0.4, and that then allows me to make sure that the chuck, clip-on chuck, fits over it and seals. So that's the install, and that's the new Ultimate Rescue Valve.